The Fox Weather team is keeping a close eye on Tropical Storm Jude that slammed the coast of Mozambique as a cyclone. It is starting to weaken as it moves inland, but is still an extremely dangerous system. And the low pressure system will move across Mozambique later this week, also the southern regions of Malawi, before it yet again turns south-southeastwards back into the Mozambican channel, strengthening yet again, most likely into a cyclone, and then by Saturday, slamming the coast of Madagascar. This is a very dangerous, slow-moving system, and a few warnings has already been issued by the local authorities and meteorological centers. Our accumulated rainfall model is picking up rainfall amounts exceeding 100 millimeters here in the white to light pink shade. That's almost over the entire Mozambique, with 200 millimeters likely in the black dot over the coastal regions, as well as here over small spots over southern Malawi. This is extremely dangerous and life-threatening rainfall amounts. And over the south, some models are suggesting close to 400 millimeters could accumulate up until Friday. Now, the system will not directly affect South Africa, but could bring in some moisture later this week. So here's the forecast. Back home, we've got this onshore flow behind a cold front that's bringing lots of cloud and light showers for the eastern regions of South Africa. And then later, we're expecting thunderstorms to extend in a band over northwest the Free State as well as Lesotho. And the Weather Service has issued a yellow level 2 warning, where a few of those storms could likely become severe and result in a quick heavy downpour here over parts of northwest, the extreme west of Gauteng, as well as the central and eastern regions of the Free State. Now, we're expecting showers to continue on and off, and it's cloudy in the Eastern Cape as well as KwaZulu-Natal, parts of Lowveld. Therefore, have a poor PV harvest with peak performance where it's sunny over western South Africa. And then later, that south-southeast expected to pick up and blow fresh in Cape Town as well as along the west coast. Otherwise, in the Western Cape, quickly heating up to a high of 37 degrees in Clan William. Temperatures also above 30 over the inch of the Western Cape. The southeaster later picking up in Cape Town after a high of 26 the afternoon. This onshore flow keeping things mild along the southern coastline. It's sunny and lovely weather, temperatures in the low to mid 20s. Hot in Beaufort West, 30 degrees, 27 in Graafrenet. The same onshore flow bringing lots of cloud on Tuesday for the eastern as well as the coastal regions of the Eastern Cape, and a few light showers possible throughout the course of the day. Otherwise, cloudy skies with 23 in East London, 24 in Port St. John's. Also, an onshore flow of cooler weather, lots of cloud and isolated showers expected to move over KwaZulu-Natal. Some models are suggesting a few severe storms could likely move near Richards Bay, so please be careful out there. The same southerly breeze bringing in lots of cloud for Mpumalanga with light showers on and off. Windy weather for the Lowveld with also isolated showers expected, as well as in the Kruger National Park and the Lowveld of Limpopo. Lots of cloud and windy at times with a light showers expected through the course of the day, and storms later expected to bubble up over the central and southern regions. Becoming mild to hot in northwest with maximum temperatures in the upper 20s and stormy conditions expected from the afternoon into the evening. In the Northern Cape, a southerly breeze along the coast and becoming hot here in the west, 33 degrees in Springbok. A mainly dry day with only a few isolated patchy storms likely over the bordering regions of northwest, the Northern Cape, as well as the Free State. Storms becoming scattered over Bethlehem, Vicksburg and Harry Smith, where we've got that yellow level 2 warning in place. Some cloud the morning and very early a light shower likely over Gauteng. Otherwise, temperatures in the mid to upper 20s and isolated storms expected from late afternoon into the evening, becoming scattered over the western regions. On Wednesday, still windy in Cape Town with more storms expected over the central and northeastern regions of South Africa and showers in the Lowveld. And then by Thursday, we've got an upper level trough strengthening in the west, expected to push showers and thunderstorms a little bit more westwards over large parts of the Karoo, especially the Eastern Cape. And this onshore flow expected to bring in cool weather and showers for the coastal regions. Well, that's all from me. And remember, no matter the weather, we're in this together.